Hello and welcome to this IFS Cloud video. In this video we will run through the IFS Cloud user interface. I'm currently logged into the application and my home screen is visible. At the top of my home screen I have access to the application menu bar, and on the left hand side I have access to the bookmark pane. These options are always available regardless which screen you are on, for easy access. Let's go through some of the icons that we can interact with. Firstly, we can expand and collapse the bookmarks. Bookmarks are perfect to store pages that we visit on a regular basis. Bookmarks can also be grouped. The next icon we have is the Navigator menu. The Navigator menu allows us to select pages that we wish to visit. You can either manually find a page by going through the folder structure and selecting the page you require, or you could use the Find Page option to run wildcard or exact searches. As an example, if I enter the word part, we can see that all the results are folders and windows that contain the word part. If I decide to do an exact search, I can just prefix the value I've entered using the equal sign. As you can see now, I am only receiving the folders and the windows that equal the word part. We have the home icon. The home icon allows us to navigate to our home screen from any page within the application. Currently my home screen is a welcome page. This can be changed and I will show you how to do this in the next icon. The next icon is recent screens. This allows the user to view the screens that they have recently visited. As I've said, we can also change the home screen that we wish to use using this option. Currently the welcome page is selected as my home screen because the home icon is blue. If I decide I want to change my home screen to the part, I just click on the home icon and this now changes to blue. So when I navigate home, this will now take me to the part screen. I can then go back in and change it to the welcome page just by selecting the home again, and you can see it is my home screen because the icon is blue. So if I click home again, this will take me to the welcome page. The next icons are only available because I'm using my browser in full screen. If you don't use your browser in full screen, you will use the native back, forward and refresh icons on the browser. On the right hand side, we have the notifications bell. The notifications bell can be used by the user to view any notifications they have received. You can set notifications up using specific screens and they can be created by events. We also have the IFS AI combined with Microsoft Copilot. This allows the user to search for specific items and help will show them help related to their search. We also have the option to view the profile and the settings. Within the account settings, we can change the language within the application, the time zone within the application, and the amount of decimal places that we view currency within the application. This is only specific to the user and not global. We also have the ability to change the theme. Currently, I am on the light theme. If I change it to dark, the dark theme will be enabled, and I'm going to change it back to light. We also have the ability to select product documentation. This will navigate us through to IFS Help. We also have keyboard shortcuts. If we click on keyboard shortcuts, this will bring us a dialog box up to show us the current keyboard shortcuts. IFS add keyboard shortcuts in all the time. We also have page help. Page help allows us to navigate to the IFS help for the specific page. We also have field description. This will be shown in a later video. We also have links to the IFS portal and the IFS website. The options at the bottom are normally handled by IT. Appearance Designer allows us to change the appearance of the application, examples being adding in the company logo and changing the application to the company colours. Page Designer is available when we navigate to pages. This allows employees to change the way a page looks. So we can hide fields, we can add fields in, and we can change the names of specific fields. Navigator menu allows us to change the navigator. We can hide folders, we can add new folders, or we can change the layout of the navigator. We can also change the cache and enter debug and log out. Thanks for watching this IFS Cloud video and stay tuned for the next one.